All English Podcast.
Hey everyone! Welcome back to All English Podcast, the place where we learn English with fun, confidence, and real-life stories. Today's topic is one we all struggle with. I'll do it tomorrow.
That's my life motto.
I knew it. So, we're talking about procrastination, what it means, why we do it, and how to talk about it in English. So, Jack, when was the last time you said I'll do it tomorrow?
Probably this morning. About my laundry, or maybe my emails, or maybe a life.
That's too honest. In English, I'll do it tomorrow means you plan to do something later, but probably not today.
Exactly. It's the international language of not now.
Here's some useful vocabulary. Procrastinate means to delay doing something. A deadline is the time something must be done by. A task is a piece of work you need to do. To get started means to begin doing something. To put off means to delay or postpone.
Oh, put off, my favorite phrasal verb. I put off everything.
You definitely do. To understand this better, we have a special guest today, Emma, a psychologist and motivation coach.
Hi, everyone. So happy to be here. And yes, we all procrastinate sometimes.
Finally, someone who understands me.
You're not alone, Jack. We procrastinate for three main reasons. The task feels too big or boring. We fear failure. We don't have a clear plan.
That's so true. So, what can we say in English to describe this?
You can say, I can't get myself to start. I keep putting it off. I'm not in the mood right now. I'll do it later.
My favorite phrase ever.
Jack, you should teach a masterclass in procrastination. Okay, let's turn this into a grammar moment. When people say I'll do it tomorrow, what tense is that?
That's future simple, using will.
Exactly. We use will for promises, offers, quick decisions, or when we think something might happen. For example, I'll call you later. I'll start my diet tomorrow. I think it'll rain.
And it's never true.
Sometimes, yes. But if we really plan something, we use going to. For example, I'm going to start studying tomorrow. I'm going to clean my room this weekend.
And when it's a fixed plan, like a meeting, we can use present continuous. I'm meeting my boss tomorrow. I'm working late tonight.
So next time, don't just say I'll do it tomorrow. Say I'm going to finish it tonight.
That sounds like witchcraft.
Jack, did you finish editing the podcast video?
I'll do it tomorrow.
You said that yesterday.
And the day before that. See, I'm consistent.
What about cleaning your room?
Tomorrow, for sure. Definitely. Maybe.
Jack, repeat after me. I'll start now.
I'll start after lunch.
Hopeless.
Let's teach our listeners some expressions. Better late than never. No time like the present. Tomorrow never comes. Stop talking, start doing.
Great motivational idioms. Okay, Emma, give us some real-life tips.
Sure. Start small. Do it for 5 minutes. Remove distractions. Reward yourself after finishing a task. Use positive language.
Positive language? Like what?
Instead of saying, I have to do this, say, I get to do this.
That's powerful. Changing our words can change our mindset.
Exactly. Try saying, I'm going to finish this today. I can do small steps. I'll feel proud after I finish.
Here's your challenge, listeners. Think of one thing you've been putting off. Now say it out loud using English. I'm going to do it today. I'll stop procrastinating.
Or, I'll try to stop procrastinating.
Close enough.
Remember, motivation comes after action, not before it.
So today, we learned how to talk about procrastination, the future tense, and how to motivate ourselves in English.
And I learned that I'm a professional procrastinator.
Step 1 is awareness.
Thanks for listening to All English Podcast. Now, don't say I'll do it tomorrow. Do it today. See you next time on All English Podcast.